Hey, I want to do an unboxing of the Delco oil filter and oil to change on a 2021 GMC light duty truck. Got light duty diesel oil. We've got the AC Delco filter. And of course, we have the whole six pack of the light duty diesel oil. There you go. Fixing to change the oil on the GMC. All right, we're fixing to get busy and change this oil and put that oil filter in. And this is what it takes. Passing the oil filter. You guys, it's that simple. Twist on for the old one, twist back for the new one. We've got the light duty Delco oil, AC Delco oil going in. How many quarts, Benny?
7.
7 quarts in a GMC
Duramax diesel.
Duramax diesel.